in my previous organizations, Britannia, Godrej, like you mentioned, I was leading a particular unit or a particular team, leading the entire organization, building it. It's a different experience altogether. I think in Nabati, the one biggest milestone I would consider is building a talent pool, building a team which can actually lift the organization to a level where it can compete with the other big FMCG companies. And it's a pretty proud thing to tell and to share that over the last 1.5 years, we have almost doubled our business. And now we are, of course, we are the biggest player in wafer biscuits in India. We are 2.5 times the size of the second player. But the biggest achievement by the team was the intense focus on distribution. So our watertight GTM, which we have for building the expansion of Nabati in India, has actually made us the most distributed wafer in the country, and we are 1.5 times more distributed than the second biggest brand in this category. So yeah, I think these are the key ones, but main thing still remains getting the right set of people to build the organization. For a business to be successful, hard work is essential, but this hard work also has to meet smart work. And this smart work comes only through rich data provided to the team in the right manner. In Nabati's way of working, globally also, it's very, very data-driven, extremely in-depth analysis for us to be able to understand what is our feasibility study for a particular location. Whenever we open a particular location or a particular state or a cluster, there is a standard which we follow in terms of what is the right feasibility, market outreach, what is the kind of consumer, what is the kind of market mix. Basis that, we decide which market to go. After we reach a market, there are data-driven model which tells us that in which month and in how many months we'll be having a positive outlook on that particular market. So all of those things are important for us and for our team to know which direction to run. India is a big country and every state has got very different nuances. So it won't be right if you have to just hire a salesperson and tell him, listen, we want a distribution of so many outlets. It would be unfair and injustice to the person and also to the brand. And hence what we do in Nabati, while we have our own structure, umbrella structure of feasibility study, market insights, and then going to the market, we also have a training session for our team members at a quarter level, where in a very specific manner, we discuss and decide what should be the right way to approach a particular market, what are the plus and minus happening in the current distribution system, and what approach the team should be taking for the next 3 months. All of these 3 things are driven through the Nabati way of working, data-driven models. And that's what we do at Nabati. Otherwise, and honestly, if a company or the sales leadership team is not going to give direction to the field team, then it would get a little unfair on them on how to build distribution. If the sales development team or the sales leadership team at any company gives right insights to the team on the ground that these are the clusters, go there and win, it'll be so much simpler, it'll be so much more focused, it'll be so much easy to win the market and become number one. And that is the reason Nabati in India, within 2 years of its launch, became the biggest wafer cream biscuit.